don't know if y'all can hear them, but these mosquitoes are thick. I love this net. I hate it at the same time. Makes the vision a little blurry. And if the sun hits it just right, it like shines a glare across the grids in the screening. Oh man, it's so thick. I can just feel them as I'm hitting them. Like so far I've ran into 2 cell cams, bumped into a doe. Haven't found anything significant over here in this corner, but who knows? Gotta keep going, guys. Florida and these mosquitoes, baby.